Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little makeup tutorial kind of thing. I'm sorry if I seem a bit down or tired or something. I've just had play week this week and I just had sports day and my ankle is actually really sore, so I've just got ice wrapped around it as we speak. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first I'm going to start with prepping my face, and I'm going to go in with the Dermalogica Clear Start All Over Toner. I'm going to go in with the Gené Visibly Clear Pink Grapefruit Oil Moisturizer. By the way, we're also going to be testing out using some colour today in like eyeshadows, not only doing like a neutral eye look. So I'm just going to use a foundation that's too light for me, and I'm going to put that as my concealer. A triangle under my eyes. I'm not going to put too much. This is obviously not like a full coverage kind of thing. It's just to brighten up the under eyes and cover up the dark circles a bit. And on these two evil mountains, and on my chin. Then we're going to blend it out with the beautiful blender. And I'm just going to the faces we make during makeup is actually kind of really funny. By the way, I used the Revlon Color Stay Makeup Soft Flex SPF 6 for combination skin. I have combination skin because my T-zone is extremely oily, especially my nose, and then my what's it called? My cheeks and my forehead is really dry. Now I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Master Bronze Color and Highlighting Kit. And I'm going to go in with the shade Rachel. And I'm just going to put that right underneath my cheekbones. Bronzer is meant to make you look more tanned. Oh, I forgot to blend out my chin. That's funny. Now we're done with bronzer. I'm going to go with some blush, if I can find my blush brush. Colour over here, which is more like a pinky toned brown, and I'm just going to place that on my cheekbones to give my face a bit more colour. So now I'm going to move on to highlighter, and as you'll like maybe come across in more of my beauty videos, I really like the brand Wet n Wild. If I can find my Wet n Wild highlighter, that would be great. Where'd you go? Oh, here it is. So I like Wet n Wild because it's really affordable, and you get products that are really good for that price. Like this is better than most high-end highlighters. Is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. And I've dug into one spot because I don't want to ruin the flower. I'm going to take a small, kind of like a thin fluffy brush, and I'm just going to place that on my cheekbone. Beautiful highlight. Probably highlight is my favorite thing out of entire makeup kind of thing. You can never have too much highlight. That's mine. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer onto my eye at the base, and out with beauty dokie. Now that our base is done, I'm gonna go with eyeshadow. And today we're going to be using a bit of a mix of every kind of eyeshadow that I have, but the main thing that we're going to be using is the Wet n Wild Art in the Streets palette. That you're brushed and you have patience, then you should be able to work with that and get something out of it. Because it was in the clearance section, it was only 20 Rand. Just to set the concealer that we put on right now, I'm going to go in with the Helllloooo Nudes eyeshadow collection, beauty brick kind of thing. I'm going to go in with the white colour on the end here, just to set our base. So for a brown transition shade, I'm going to go in with the bronzer shade that we used in the first place. This shade right over here, and I'm going to blend that out into our cream. This just sets down a base and gives your eyelid a bit more dimension. So today I think I'm going to use only mattes, and I'm going to go with the orange at the top here. You do get a bit of fallout in your pan, but that's okay. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner. I mean, for 20 rand, that is not bad. I'm going to go with the yellow. So I'm going to go in with the yellow shade in the middle. Middle part of my lid, making sure to avoid the inner corner of my lid. And now I'm going to take this brush over here we used for the brown, I'm just going to get brown off of it, and I'm going to put the yellow on, and I'm just going to blend the yellow into the brown, just with a bit of yellow on the brush. Sorry, not into the brown, into the orange. So now that I've done that, I'm going to wet the brush and I'm going to go in with this shade over here from the Bewitching Beauty Color Collection. I think this is from the Virgin Active brand. I'm just going to use it today, and I'm going to pack that onto the corner part of the house. I'm going to wet a small flat brush like this. I'm just going to do like a line with it. So there's that little liner kind of a thing that I did. I don't know what it is, but I think it looks cool. And then I'm going to take the orange down the little lash line. It isn't the most perfect eye look, but it's still an eye look. So now I'm going with mascara, and I'm going with the Maybelline New York Total Temptation mascara. My lashes, if you could describe my lashes in one word, it would be donk. Mascara doesn't even lift them, it just makes them longer, which I still appreciate, but I kind of wish I had curly lashes. I'm just going to put some lip balm on to make it shiny. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, or you just, I don't know, you just maybe learned something about makeup, or yeah. And I hope you guys have an amazing day further. Great quote of the day. I put this one on my story, but I still think it's amazing. It says, if you were able to believe in Santa Claus for like 8 years, you can believe in yourself for 5 minutes. And I hope you guys have a great day, my honeys, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!